Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Solana, your daily update. I'll try to keep it short. I do want to look at some fundamentals right now because, the technicals, I'll just be straight up with you about that. The technicals right now are quite difficult to predict and analyze. I'll still do my best, and I'll still tell you what I think from here, and I still tell you what I think is most likely. But we also haven't looked at the fundamentals in a while. All right, so that's what I wanted to start off with. And the first thing, obviously, will be Solana, right? And the transactions. Can I actually? They changed the user interface on this. Can I not just look up Solana right here and then look up the compute? Yeah, this. To see the failing transactions, which is still very, very high. I must say, at times the success rate is 50-50 again, which is an improvement since the last time around. But it's still very bad. All right, so fundamentally that's not great, and I can probably already predict what the other fundamental statistics will tell us, and that is that it's not going amazing. Daily transactions and daily active addresses are actually still doing fine. But what I always think the most important value is the total value locked. And at this moment, in the last couple of days, that has stalled again. Saw an increase in the start of the week, but so far, like I said, it's dropping down again. Or at least it's not rallying anymore. So fundamentally, look, these fundamentals, the effect they have on the price of Solana very often is limited, but it's always good to have your eyes on it, all right? Because what you could see, for example, with this bullish momentum is that the total value locked for Solana was already bullish before this happened. So if the total value locked does start to increase, that's an indication that we can see some bullish momentum. But all right, looking at Solana right now, it's not looking great, all right? If you zoom out, this is kind of a downtrend, and I would say that the most likely direction is also down. And there's multiple reasons for that. On the short term, we have this pretty strong support level between 140 and 142 that's holding us up. Theoretically, and I do mean this, theoretically that level could hold us, all right? It's entirely possible that Solana is able to hold this level and set up some sort of a consolidation right here between 140 and then 160 as a resistance, all right? So this is possible. However, the problem I have with that scenario and the problem I have with that in general is that for that to happen, we do need to get some sort of bullish confirmation. All right. Right now, it seems like the EMAs, those waving lines, are starting to form some sort of a downtrend again, which means they will also form resistance levels, which we need to break above. And if we want to get a breakout like that, we also need some momentum. And at this moment, momentum doesn't look great. All right. Now, excuse me. Momentum doesn't look great. We have had some spot buying since yesterday, so that's positive. And this open interest, which I usually say is the momentum, this can change into something more bullish, right? If we get back up to 1.95 and $2 billion in open positions, then there's a chance that we can actually consolidate here. However, at this moment, there's not enough. It's not bullish enough, all right? It's more kind of moving sideways. And if it's moving sideways, there's no gaining momentum, and then we cannot get that bullish breakout. So the main thing to look at today is still the open interest, all right? If that starts to increase, then it's possible for Solana to break above, let's say, 148. And if we break above 1.48, all right, well, then we can consolidate here. And that would be great. That would be the bullish scenario. But given the fact that the open interest at this moment is not rallying, and Bitcoin looks fairly weak, also losing volume, I think it's best to prepare for a further continuation down. Main level, like I said, is 140. I think it's most likely that will drop down below 140 and drop down towards 127 and 120. Well, no, 130 and 127.5 again. Now, like I said, even though this is at this moment most likely, please keep your eyes on the open interest, because there is a chance that starts to increase. And if that does start to increase like this, that's great, and that's a bullish confirmation, and then this becomes more likely, all right? So yeah, that's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care, and bye.